Hello my friends, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank, and I'm still looking for the entrance here. I have no idea. And because I have no idea, I think we're moving on. I really don't know what I'm missing. I really don't know how I should get in there. This is maybe from somewhere else, really, but I can't see it. I really don't know. Should I try to... Of course not. Okay, I really... Okay, moving on. Anyway, I'm looking for the Rhino holo cards. For maybe the last one. But if I can't find them, or the card now, then I will return to my ship and we go to the next planet, or next level. And probably I will ask Google. Okay, now I'm back here, see? Now I'm back here and still, so... Is there anything what I'm missing? There's this field stuff over there. Okay, I really have no idea.
Hey, wanna race again?
I won already all races, so thank you. Okay, let's go to the ship and let's go to the next planet. And I will figure out how to get the last or all the Rhino cards and the last field here, or the... Because here in this last field is a golden screw.
Ready to fly.
And we have Nebula Cheese 34. So, and by the way, this game is installed on an external SSD, and the loading times are really not, yeah, nothing actually. Wow.
Captain, come in. Clank and I are in position and ready to commence Operation Falling Star.
Copy that. You're clear to move in. I'll monitor your position from here. I did it!
Wow, this looks awesome actually. Okay.
Perhaps the trespasser will be useful here.
Yeah, let me just look around here, okay?
My sensors have picked up one of Rex prototypes outside his airlock.
Send Clank to explore. Okay, so we can send Clank to explore, or... Ah, send Clank.
Be careful out there, pal.
Wow, this looks really great. PlayStation 4 game. You know, just to remind. Wow. And 60 FPS. Look at this, wow. Okay, really, this is one of the best levels so far. Shit, I really have to look at this. This really looks amazing. Look at this. Okay, moving on. I think I have to go there. Oh, those again, okay.
What is that?
It's like a microchip, huh?
How fortuitous. It is a Gadgetbot upgrade chip. My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
How you doing out there, Clank?
I just picked up a new gadget.
Oh man, what'd you get? You know you have to share whatever you found.
I think I will save these for me. Thank you. But there is still a prototype device nearby. I will collect it for you.
Oh, fine.
Okay, now I'm confused. Okay, how can I... Hello? How can I get out here? Okay, this is what I... Okay, I don't get it. Because this is closed. Hello? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Actually, someone should explain this, you know what I mean? I mean, I was sure that this is this power thing, but there was no little thingy thing. I have no idea what the name is. Okay, this can build bridges. Do I need this thing? No, probably not, because otherwise the door will close. Okay, let's go over there. Yeah, oh, sorry.
Destroyed. Respawning.
Oh. Hey. Okay. That's how it works. Oh, okay, now. So I need...
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
Yeah. That's okay, but maybe I need to go over there first.
That was impressive.
Because now we have one. Wait, this is good. Then we can take this one.
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots. Quite the puzzle.
Oh, okay. Why do I need two? I can just... Okay, maybe. Just wait. No! Let's grab this one. Aha! No. Let's grab this one. It should stay open.
Ah, there they are.
What is it?
Come in, Ratchet. I just located a pair of Magna boots. Returning to your position now.
Awesome. I always wanted a pair of Magna boots. Good work, pal. See you in a bit.
Too puny to wear the Magna boots himself, Clank returned them to Ratchet.
Okay.
Ratchet, what's your status on Operation Falling Star?
We got a little distracted. We're on it.
Okay, so now let's. What is here? No, nothing. Okay, what is this here? Board warship. Okay. Okay.
According to my database, we are headed to a shuttle designed for transporting Drek's high-value experiments.
Well, I'll give him this. He stays busy. Let's go see what he's been making.
Intruder detected. Intruder detected.
Okay.
A lot of raritanium. Come see me and let's do. They've made it onto the.
Down.
Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you.
Okay, where am I? Ha! Oh, okay. You're this fella.
I shall let you live, little alien. Signed, Greetings, soon-to-be-dead alien.
Okay.
Unauthorized weapon removal detected. Self-destruct sequence
What?
initiated.
Oh my god. Okay, okay, okay.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
This doesn't look good.
Ship will self-destruct in 20 seconds.
Come on!
Where do I have to go?
Oh dear.
Okay, so we destroyed the warship. So we have done this. So, okay, good. All done. Then just this one left. Okay, how does it work again? Blockers don't do anything beside block lasers. Make sure they do not block ports. If you ever need more help or a refresher, remember you can press 2. Oh, okay, this is interesting now.
Attention scientists! Chairman Drake here. I just wanted to thank you for all of your hard work these last few months. I may be your leader, but I am nothing without the tenacious Blarg here at this facility.
Ratchet, look out!
Will help mark the beginning of a glorious new era for our kind.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
All available units, go.
Predator launcher.
Time. The creatures of
Mr. Zircon is looking to kill you.
It has been brought to my attention that we may have an intruder at the facility. If you come across anyone who is not a Blarg,
Okay.
feel free to kill them.
Oh!
You're doing great, Ratchet. Keep going. I'll be with you every step of the... Oh, come on! He was out of bounds! Open your eyes, Ref.
Crates, you dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates?
Okay, now. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, no! Okay. Good to know that...
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Hello? How can I...
Mr. Zircon is born.
Oh.
Crates, you dare waste Mr. Zircon's time with crates?
What is this?
What is all this?
Yeah.
It appears Chairman Drek has been growing his own army.
Mr. Zircon does not require bolts. His currency is pain.
Deactivated. Deactivated.
Lazy furball. Get up. And fight.
Oh! Okay, good, good. Oh no.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. You are not dead yet. Mr. Zircon intends to rectify this.
What is all this?
Okay,
It appears
let's
Chairman Drek has been growing his own
kill
army.
one first, okay? And we do this with the fusion grenade.
Hello, stinky aliens.
Okay, good.
Deactivated.
Wasn't that hard? Why did I die before, huh? I don't get it.
Mr. Zircon delivers a symphony.
This is just a reminder that all projects, files, and experiments are the property of Ratchet. However, I welcome all feedback. Should you disagree,
Meine Güte, so many.
feel free to voice your concern to one of the armed
You again.
murderous warbots currently patrolling the halls. For your safety.
Suspects have escaped. Every block for him or herself.
Captain, come in. Mr. Zer.
Looks like Jack is one experimental
cool.
on creatures.
Very good.
Ha! It'll take more than a few bucks to scare off Captain Quark. Unless there are spiders. Are there spiders? No, I'll never get
Oh,
comfortable in this bed. Mission control, where I'm monitoring you from.
Five little dead little aliens.
out of ammo.
Thought you had seen the last of Mr. Zircon. Hello, stinky aliens. So long, stupid aliens.
I have no weapons anymore. How can I go up here? Hello? Maybe I need to do this.
Death is too stupid for Mr. Zircon. Why do you hide, stinky aliens? Mr. Zircon
We're all clear.
or to kill you. Greetings, soon-to-be dead alien.
Hello, Log. I've recently learned that a few have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857B Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857B Echo is not a pet. And should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
Oh, no, Kev. Oh, no! Okay, we can...
Hello, Vlarg. I've recently learned that a few have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject
Oh, come...
Mr. Zircon.
Okay. Need to be
Hello,
a
Vlarg.
little bit more
I've recently
careful.
learned that a few of you have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857B Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857B Echo is not a pet. And should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
Mr. Zircon is here.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
You are a disease, and Mr. Zircon is the cure. One little dead little aliens, 4 little 5 little dead little aliens.
Let's check out that vendor.
Okay. What was this? Okay. Wow.
Attention intruder. You have entered the testing facility for a Blargian Snagglebeast. Chairman Alonzo Drek thanks you for your sacrifice.
Captain, did you know Drek's secret project was a Blargian Snagglebeast?
It Yes, I wonder why it wasn't in any of my intel. I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry. Just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me? Captain? Oh boy.
Okay. This will be interesting. I have no idea what to do. Okay, wait for it. We getting our little helper. And we getting our... Nope. Yeah, and now he needs to dance. Okay. Okay, try to really... let him dance the whole time is probably a good idea. Oh. Where is he? Why?
You've lost control of the subject.
Oh no.
Got it. Keep an eye on the screen.
Oh, okay.
Ground pound protocol. Fire sweep protocol.
What? Yeah, what do you want? Oh! Oh, yeah. No! Come on, almost. Oh
cranial implant.
Okay. What is in here?
Falling into lava. Jim, let's boost the neurotransmitters and see if we can add a few IQ points to this dimwit.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
Back under control.
Oh. Oh my god, no, come on, oh. Again. Shit. Okay, that's not nice.
Uploading ground pound protocol.
No, where am I?
Zircon is here to
Okay, let me collect a couple of
Mr.
things.
Zircon delivers a symphony of pain. You are not fit to fight Mr. Zircon.
He's right behind me. Of course.
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Mr. Zircon will punch you in the face with bullets.
We've lost control of the subject.
I shall let you live.
Nice.
Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
Subject is under control. Keep an eye on the screen.
Oh, damn it.
Mr. Zircon cannot be destroyed. Flee and tell your friends, Mr. Zircon
Begin fire sweep protocol.
Okay,
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
okay, what is my...
Death is too
Initiate cranial implant. Subject appears to have a fondness for falling into lava. Jim, let's boost the neurotransmitters and see if we can add a few IQ points to this Jim.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Okay, we got him back under control.
Oh my god. Okay, is there any health? Because I'm already out again. I have this one more time, probably. Which is great.
Mr. Zircon gives you a concerto of suffering.
Oh my god, really? No, 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 no. Yeah.
I yield! I yield! Please, don't hurt me!
Tell us what. Tell us what you hang on.
Tell us what you know about Drek's plan.
Whoa. Thanks. Yeah, what he said.
I can give you this infobot.
Well, you watch this one, pal. I'm just gonna take 5.
Greetings, Blarg imbeciles. If you're watching this infobot, you've been selected for the beta trial of my latest invention, the XK-81 jetpack! Though initial testing had a few small setbacks, I'm happy to report that I worked out all of the kinks. Now you can use your XK-81 jetpack to traverse the sky, giving you an advantage over those morons on the ground. The XK-81 jetpack. Come pick yours up at our base on Gaspar.
Dr. Nefarious is not responsible for death, dismemberment, or irreparable injury to your central nervous system.
Captain, it's Ratchet.
We just defeated the Snaggle Beast and found out what Drek is up to.
You did? But that's impressive.
Okay, so that's actually really good. Let's grab a couple of things here before we move on. And it was very close, really very close in the end. Okay, so where do we have to go? We came from here, then we have to go there. Okay, we don't have... not much weapons left.
Hey, come find me when you want to upgrade a weapon. I'm ready.
Okay, are we going back to the station hub? I would say, huh? Everything is done.
Hey, I bet the Rangers could use jetpacks. Should we head to Gaspar and see if we can get some?
I've always wanted one of those. If you can get one, Alaris can build a few more for the Rangers. I hereby assign you the not at all deadly mission of acquiring one jetpack. Captain Quark must fly like a bird.
All done.
Good job.
Where to next?
We must learn what Nefarious is up to on planet Gaspar.
Okay, let's go to Gaspar. I will find out how to collect the Rhino cards later on. Okay, this looks also very nice, and I will continue.
Let's go find you a new jetpack.
Yes, in the next episode, okay? So thank you very much for watching me again. I see you next time. Bye.